Going back to Smoke Fairies now, no point in us telling you anything at all about Carried in Sound because they shall do it themselves.
This next song is Carried in Sound, which is the title track of our album. I guess music has been the thing that has bonded us together as friends and in the band and has kind of carried us through life. And this song is kind of reflective about looking back on a lot of experiences and kind of questioning how your memory works, how it plays tricks on you, but how it kind of carries you forward as well.
Standing alone, faded recollections adrift in the head, slid out in the sunlight from the skin that you shed, falling into the future, gathering speed, carried in song. Time is coming to find you. Will it deny you or carry you on? In the feeling of falling that snaps you awake, in the cold of the hallways of the life you remake, did you soften your edges, the sting at the core, the pools of your history seeping under the door, falling into the future, gathering speed, carried in song. Time is coming to find you. Will it deny you or carry you on? Delay moving, keep me in warm. Echo through me, burn and reform. When you look back, will you see yourself in the way you've been seen? Burst into the morning like a scavenger freed. Is there a currency to what's left unresolved? Now you're redeemed to the one that you hold. Falling into the future, gathering speed, carried in song. Time is coming to find you. Will it deny you
Once again, thanks very much to Smoke Fairies for not only being brilliant, but also agreeing to do a session for us in the first place. And then, as if that wasn't enough, just continuing whilst they knew they couldn't do a live session and recording this wonderful thing for us, which is now, we are airing and is going into the archive forevermore. I'm Mark Riley, that is Gideon Coe. And the